Introduction to Cloud Computing by Joseph Bianchi. So, what is the cloud? Cloud computing is the sharing of data through online servers and networks so that information can be stored and accessed from different devices at any location as long as there is internet access. A big part of this includes interoperability. Interoperability is the ability to make different systems and sources interact with one another. So, how does it work? There are different components to the cloud. The front end is the part that you see or connect to. Middleware is the software in the middle responsible for the transitioning of data, and the back end is various interconnected computers and storage systems that make up the cloud. So, is there only one cloud? No. There's a public cloud and a private cloud. The public cloud is the cloud that we are all exposed to via the internet. The private cloud is where a company connects to the cloud through a network that is not necessarily the internet for security. The cloud's biggest issue we'll get to right after this short, informative video. The internet, the cloud, web 2.0, bro. If you're confused after this, you'll know. So pay attention, yo, cause this rap will show some info that will make your knowledge grow. First, how about we start off slow? Web 1.0 really did blow, but that all changed when 2 came around. It's interactive, innovative, also has the cloud. The cloud is a place with unlimited space to save all your data to its database. With interoperability, it's not misplaced. It helps to overcome some challenges faced. Access it from anything, anywhere. Forgot a device, don't despair. It's the new world that we live in. Let me break it down as I teach it to the rhythm. It's misunderstood what technology has given us. Privacy issues demand trust. Before you trust, understand the quirks. Here is a lesson on how the cloud works. I'ma list all of its components first. The front end, the part that you access, taken from your IP address, feeds into the middle, called middleware. But don't fret, there's a control node there. From the middle, it sends to the back end. This is where all the storage systems at. The back end, various interconnected computers. The final stop for the data commuters. Oh yeah, it's legit, y'all. How? The rules that govern it are called protocols. It stops any flaw. It's the internet law. But careful what you save. It's hard to withdraw, if not impossible. Be responsible, please. Making copies of info that's redundant. See, it backs it all up. You won't lose it. The public cloud, we all use it. The part of the cloud that we are exposed to. Facebook, Gmail, Flickr. I suppose you may have not known the private cloud is in its own zone. This is when a big company uses the cloud through a network for security. Wait, the internet? Not necessarily. Are there challenges? Yeah, barely, but they won't arise if you use it fairly. Questioning the problem though is allowed. Security's a big issue on the cloud. Losing information or intellectual property reliant on the policy of the enormous company, as there are no laws for information rights, contradicting jurisdictions, causing fights cause files become the property of corporations, storing files from everyone across all nations. But that's the bad, so maybe we just should take a step back and look at the good. Civic and communal values misunderstood benefit society cause it could connect different people, different time and place, not limited by the boundaries of space. Communities of choice, not communities of fate, give strength of weak ties a solid base. Yeah, technology sparks creativity, that's important for productivity. Sitting around but still never fuss, I'm constantly active, cognitive surplus. So now you know, and you should be proud. You know almost everything about the cloud computing. Everything's disputing. It's time to say bye. One last thing, you need Wi-Fi and or an internet connection, but yeah. The issues on the cloud. The issues include concerns for security, loss of information, safety of intellectual property, contradicting jurisdictions, information overload, and distraction. The benefits, however, it's extremely convenient for data transfer. People who have never met can meet, sparking innovation through the strength of weak ties. Allows for online communities of choice, networked individuals. Civic value, value that can benefit all of society. Communal value, value benefiting a specific area. Allows for more creativity. The end.